I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing a payment hold on your DoorDash earnings, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your DoorDash account and navigate to the earnings section. Look for any notifications or alerts regarding your payment status. Step 2. Verify your identity. If prompted, complete the identity verification process. This may involve uploading a photo ID or confirming your personal information. Step 3. Review your payment information. Ensure that your payment details are accurate and up to date. Go to account settings and check your bank account information. Step 4. Contact support. If the hold persists, reach out to DoorDash support through the app or website. Provide them with any relevant details about your account. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, wait for their response. They will inform you if any further action is needed or when the hold will be lifted. Sometimes, the hold can be due to a missed verification step, so double check all your information. I hope this helps you get back to earning smoothly.